Do you ever feel like you're running a charity? Did you open your business to be a nonprofit, or did you open it to make money? In the restaurant business, often we've got backwards thinking when it comes to pricing and what we can do in our business and our ability to make money. I'm going to change that for you in 2 seconds. Hello everybody, this is David Scott Peters with therestaurantexpert.com, and I got to tell you, if you're going to work with me on any level, I don't care even if it's only watching my videos on this YouTube channel every single week. You have to change your mentality. That is, we're in the hospitality industry, which means we were built to take care of people. This is why sometimes we have employees that work overtime because we don't want them to work another job. Why we have employees who work extra hours because they're going to be they're pregnant and they're going to be missing work, and we want to take care of them. It's why we put out in huge portions sometimes, and sometimes why we don't raise our prices. All these things because we were built to take care of people. Isn't that what we do in the hospitality business? Well, often we forget about ourselves and we wonder why we're not making the money we deserve. In fact, I will tell you, the average restaurant makes a nickel to 8 cents on every dollar. That's not where I want you. I want 15 to 20% to your bottom line. How do we get there? Without going against our core values, meaning we will never buy cheaper product. We will never cut labor to a point we can't take care of our guests and so on. It's a matter of, number one, changing your mindset. And that's for you to understand you have a responsibility to run a profitable restaurant. Number one, to your guests, your customers. They walk in your door because you fulfill a need in the community, don't you? Right? Don't you? They're not coming in just because you're in the neighborhood. They're coming to you because you have something they want. You need to be open and profitable for them. You have a responsibility to your employees. This is how they're gainfully employed. They feed their families, they pay their bills. Now, granted, half of them may drink their paychecks away, whole nother story. But the fact of the matter is you owe it to them to run profitably, that they have a job. Last but not least, here's where we screw it up as independent operators all the time. You have a responsibility to you, your family, and any investors you may have, and I'm here to say you come first, not last, my social working friends. First. Because I want you to think about this. If you don't run a profitable business and you struggle and you close your doors, there is no restaurant for your guests to come to. You're gone. If you don't run a profitable restaurant, make the money you deserve, and you struggle and close, there are no jobs for your employees. So by taking care of you and your family first, you will have the money to do things like, hey, you may decide to give that employee the extra overtime because you don't want him or her to work another job, but you decided to do so, and you decided to take your money out of your back pocket and give it to them because you know what you're going to make. You plan for that. See, instead of making money or losing money based on dumbass luck, you have a budget. You plan, you stay true to your core values, but you always have the thought process, you're supposed to come first. We didn't open a business to be a charity. We didn't open a business to employ no one. We didn't open a business not to take care of many. See, by changing your mindset, you're on a path to implementing systems, putting budgets in place, having people operate the business just like you, because we all come from the same point, and that is the restaurant's supposed to make money, and that's how we take care of everybody else. This is David Scott Peters. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure and subscribe now to my YouTube channel. But before you go, download my free report. You'll find the link below in the description section. And be sure not to miss these other videos with expert tips to help you run your restaurant.